Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Mac. So very simple and easy way. Open any browser like Chrome or Edge and here search Visual Studio Code. Like this is the Edge browser. Similar way you can search on Chrome and here click on this link download. Once you click on it you will see this options free and built on open source for Microsoft Visual Studio. And here guys you can see the system like for Windows 8, 10 and 11. And for if you are using Mac, so this is the option Mac OS 10.11 plus. And here guys you can download as this zip file. So just click here. So just guys here you have to click on to download this option, this software. And once this downloading process will complete, just install. And guys, if you are using Windows, so click on this option, and it will work on these all versions 8, 10 or 11. So just open it. So this is the way guys you can install Visual Studio on Mac. Thanks for watching guys. Comment this video work for you or not.